Start propagating Anthurium from cuttings in early spring when the new growth begins to emerge. Cut a healthy branch from near the base of the plant. Wrap it in wet paper and seal in a plastic bag while you carry it to your home. Cut the stem to a small 6-inch long cutting. The cutting should have at least one node. Where roots will grow, remove all the leaves. Now prepare rooting soil mixture. Mix soil, cow manure and river sand in equal amount. The sand makes the rooting soil free draining to quickly drain out the excessive water. The standing water in the soil will rot the cutting. Take a small pot with many drainage holes and fill it with this soil mixture. Water the soil thoroughly so that the soil becomes damp at all the places. Keep the pot in shade for about half an hour to drain excess water. Next step is to applying rooting hormone on the cutting to speed up roots formation. I use aloe vera gel as a natural rooting hormone. If you do not use it, make a hole in soil and insert the cutting about 2 inch deep. You can plant more than one cuttings in the same pot so that a few may root. Enclose the pot in a plastic bag to create high humidity. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. You can place the bag indoors if outside temperature is lower than 20 degrees Celsius. Open the bag every week and add a few drops of water to the soil. Close the bag again. Cuttings will root in a few weeks depending on temperature and new leaves. You may see some roots coming out of the bottom holes of the pot. You may continue the Anthurium plant on the same pot or transplant it to a bigger pot. Fill the pot with the soil as mentioned above and plant the rooted cutting. Apply sugarcane mulch, water well and keep the pot in shade.